Propagating trees and fruit trees using scientific process. Tools and equipment in plant propagation. Rake, a tool used in digging and loosening hard, dry soil. Hoe, it is used for smoothing the soil and gathering loose leaves, hay, or straw. Axe, it is used for cutting trunk of trees and their branches. Trowel, it is used for loosening the ground and taking up small plants. Crowbar, it is used for digging holes and for planting seeds. Bolo, it is used for cutting tall grasses and branches of trees. Shovel, it is used to dig, lift, and throw loose matter. Fork, it is used in digging and preparing the soil for the plants. Water sprinkler, a can or plastic with a sprout to sprinkle water on plants. Wheelbarrow, it is used to transfer soil plants and other materials from one place to another. Hose, it is used for watering seedlings arranged in mass. Sprayer, it is used for spraying chemicals to eliminate plant seeds. Weighing scale, it is used for weighing plants, seeds, and fertilizers. Pieces of wood or bamboo, it is used as fences of seed boxes and plats to protect plants. Scientific ways of propagating fruit-bearing trees. Grafting, steps in grafting: preparing the stock, preparing the scion, inserting the scion, and securing the graft. Budding, steps in budding: cut bud sticks from strong shoots of the present season's growth with mature buds that are slightly brownish in color. Clip off the leaves from the bud sticks, leaving 1/2 inch of the leaf stalk for a handle. Discard the soft tips of the bud sticks. Choose branches from the rootstock that are the size of a lead pencil up to 1/2 inch diameter. Larger branches have too thick a bark for this method to work. On the rootstock, about 15 or more inches from the trunk, make a thick cut across the bark. With a knife blade, lift the corners and carefully loosen the bark. Cut a bud from the bud stick, which includes a thin piece of attached wood. Slide the bud under the flats of the bark on the rootstock until the ends are firmly under the bark. Using electrician's tape, tie the bud to the rootstock. Wrap the ends tightly, but be sure not to cover the bud with tape. In 2 to 3 weeks, cut the tie so you will not griddle the graft. The next year, cut the rootstock off above the graft when the bud starts growing. Remove any shoots below the graft. The second year, remove all growth from the tree except the bud grafted shoots. Marcoting, remove the ring of bark on a large branch of a tree. The inner surface is scraped slightly. Then, wrap the moist soil or moss covered with plastic sheets or cocoa husk. Secure tight on both ends with twine. When roots have developed, transplanted it in a pot or plastic bag. Enarching, select a growing rootstock and fitting it with a branch that will be grafted by a longitudinal cut. Fit both cuts together and secure the tie with twine. Layering, clip securely the branch or shoot touching the ground and soil. Let it develop roots and become an independent plant.